Welcome to Module 1, Introduction to AI Product Management. This is where our journey is going to begin. In this module, we're going to lay the foundation for understanding what it means to be an AI product manager. You'll learn how AI product management is different from traditional product management, the key responsibilities of the role, and the essential skills you need to succeed. Today, AI is transforming industries, and as an AI product manager, you're at the center of this transformation. Whether it's defining the problems to solve, collaborating with data scientists, or delivering products that create real value, this course is designed to empower you with the knowledge and confidence to lead AI-driven initiatives. So let's dive in and start building your foundation as an AI product manager. AI product management is a unique and exciting role at the intersection of technology and business. At its core, AI product management is about creating data and model-driven products that deliver measurable outcomes. These products don't just offer features. They solve real-world problems for users and drive meaningful results for the business. As an AI product manager, you're responsible for ensuring that the product delivers value and aligns with business goals. This means that you're going to have to collaborate with cross-functional teams, including data scientists and engineers, to translate AI capabilities into solutions that users love and trust. What sets AI product management apart is its dynamic nature. Unlike traditional products, AI solutions are constantly evolving. They need monitoring, retraining, and updates to stay relevant and effective. In this role, think of yourself as a bridge between the technical teams and the business objectives. Your job is to guide the team in creating products that are not only technically feasible, but also valuable, usable, and viable. This course is going to cover the AI product management framework. Now first, the foundation is about you. You're going to learn the product operating model and how to apply it to AI product management. And then we'll give you an overview of the different AI and ML capabilities in the marketplace today and the data science workflows that support them. Then we'll do a deep dive into 3 phases: strategy, discovery, and delivery of AI product management. And then we're going to end the course with a project to demonstrate the skills that you've learned. AI product management is distinct from traditional product management in several key ways. Let's explore those differences. First, traditional product management typically focuses on features and functionality. Think about a search bar on a website or a user account page. These are designed to fulfill a specific user need. In contrast, AI product management focuses on outcomes powered by data and models. For example, instead of just building a search bar, an AI product manager might oversee a whole recommendation engine that dynamically adjusts based on user behavior and preferences. Second, AI products are often integrated into traditional digital products. This means that you'll frequently collaborate with traditional product managers to ensure AI components enhance the overall user experience. For instance, an AI-powered chatbot might need to seamlessly integrate with a customer service platform. And lastly, AI products require ongoing maintenance and improvement. As an AI product manager, you'll also need to educate your team and stakeholders about the importance of setting up and building observability and monitoring, along with retraining, crucial steps to maintaining the reliability of your product. These differences make AI product management both challenging but very exciting. So what does an AI product manager actually do? Well, let's break it down into 3 core responsibilities. First, you're responsible for ensuring that the product delivers value and viability. This means deeply understanding the problem your product is solving, aligning it with business objectives, and making sure the solution creates meaningful outcomes for the users. Let's take an example. If you're managing a fraud detection system, your goal is to balance accuracy with operational efficiency while meeting the needs of both the users and the business. Now, second, AI product managers lead cross-functional teams. You'll collaborate with data scientists, engineers, designers, and other stakeholders to ensure that your product is feasible, usable, and impactful. This requires not just coordination, but the ability to foster alignment among diverse team members who have different priorities and varied expertise. Lastly, you oversee the entire life cycle of the AI product, from problem definition to deployment. You're responsible for making sure the product evolves to meet user and business needs. This includes monitoring model performance, addressing data drift over time, and planning for retraining or updates to keep your product relevant and effective. In short, an AI product manager's role is multifaceted and dynamic. You're not just building a product, you're driving outcomes, leading innovation, and ensuring your solutions deliver sustained value. To excel as an AI data product manager, you'll need a unique blend of skills that combine technical understanding, strategic thinking, and leadership. Let's explore the key skills and why they matter. First, technical understanding. While you don't need to be a data scientist to do the job, you do need to understand concepts like machine learning, data pipelines, and feature engineering. This will help you to communicate effectively with the technical teams and make informed decisions. For example, knowing the basics of model retraining or data drift will ensure you can ask the right questions and guide the team appropriately. Second, strategic thinking. AI product management is about aligning AI capabilities with business goals. You'll need to identify the right problems to solve and prioritize solutions that deliver measurable outcomes. For instance, if your goal is to reduce customer churn, you might prioritize predictive models that identify at-risk users and recommend retention strategies. Third, leadership and communication. Leading cross-functional teams means aligning everyone around a shared vision. You'll need to communicate complex technical concepts in a way that resonates with non-technical stakeholders and ensures business buy-in. This might involve explaining how a recommendation engine works and why it's a valuable investment for the business. Lastly, there's ethical awareness, which is very important today. AI comes with its own unique challenges around bias, fairness, privacy, and transparency. It's your responsibility to ensure that your product adheres to ethical standards and is trustworthy for users. This could involve working with the data scientist to test for bias in your model or consulting with legal teams to ensure compliance with privacy regulations. These skills will help you bridge the gap between business and technology, making you a leader in the development of impactful AI products. Congratulations, you've completed Module 1, Introduction to AI Product Management. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered and how it sets the foundation for the rest of the course. We started by exploring what AI product management is and how it differs from traditional product management. We introduced the AI product management framework and highlighted that AI products focus on data and models to deliver measurable outcomes. They require continuous monitoring and retraining and often integrate into other digital products. We discussed the key responsibilities of AI product managers, from defining value and viability to leading cross-functional teams and managing the entire AI product lifecycle. Your role is crucial in driving both technical and business success. Finally, we identified the essential skills and competencies for success in this field, such as technical understanding, strategic thinking, leadership, and ethical awareness. These skills will help you bridge the gap between the technical teams you're going to work with and your business objectives, making you a very valuable asset in your organization. This module provided the foundation that you're going to need to understand your role in AI product management. In the next module, we'll dive deeper into the product operating model, a key framework that will guide your approach to AI product management. I'm excited to see you continue on this journey.